Good morning, and welcome to episode 260 of Getting Rich. I'm your host, Rich Chekin, president of Asset Strategies International, and today is Wednesday, January 21st, 2026. The World Economic Forum kicks off in Davos. European leaders came early to meet to discuss President Trump's designs on annexing Greenland one way or the other. President Trump has agreed to meet with the European leaders while they're all there gathered in Davos, Switzerland. Tensions seem to have temporarily calmed down in Iran, but the country's protests remain a flashpoint potentially for geopolitical crisis. Here at home, news of election fraud and fraud related to rescue benefits for COVID and other programs dominate the scene as precious metals continue to surge and equities take a pause. Let's go ahead and take a look at the numbers and see what the metals have done over the past week. Gold is up 5%, trading at $4,861.10. It was $4,631.80 last week. Silver's up 4.6%, trading at $94.80 an ounce. It was $90.58 last week. Platinum's up 3.3%, trading at $2,481 an ounce. It was $24.02 an ounce last week. And palladium is up as well, 1.2%, trading at $1,880 an ounce. It was $1,857 last week, with gold slightly outperforming silver. It's going to take more ounces of silver to buy that ounce of gold, so your gold-silver ratio is up very slightly to 51.28. It was 51.13 last week. And the dollar had a couple weeks of slightly moving up and surging. It got to 99.09 last week. That's turned back around. Dollar's at 98.59 this week. Again, entrenched in this weakening trend. I don't see it changing anytime soon. So when we look at the metals, yes, we are definitely, without a doubt, at lofty levels. But also, yes, we have a long way to go until this bull market is done. Now is the time for methodical and reasoned management of the precious metals positions in your portfolio. Get emotion out of the equation. We can help. Give us a call, send us an email. Let us help you get emotion out of this process, look at the facts, and come up with a plan that meets your specific objectives and goals for holding precious metals. As always, we'd like you to go ahead and follow us on our YouTube channel. Like us, send us your comments and questions. Follow us on social media. Sign up for our twice weekly, always something interesting alerts and our once monthly information line newsletter. You can go ahead and sign up for all of that down below in the description paragraph below this YouTube video. But in the end, don't ever forget that getting rich starts with keeping what's yours.